In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bank statements in Xero. Managing your finances efficiently is crucial for the smooth operation of any business, and Xero is a powerful tool that can help streamline this process. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily import your bank statements into Xero. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Xero website. Once you're there, you'll find the login option prominently displayed in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to access your Xero account. If you're not logged in already, enter your credentials and hit enter to proceed. Once you're on the Xero homepage, direct your attention to the taskbar menu at the top. You're going to look for the Accounting tab, which is an essential menu where you can manage various accounting tasks in Xero. After locating the Accounting tab, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, you're going to select Bank Accounts from the drop-down options. Clicking on Bank Accounts will present you with a list of all the bank accounts that are linked to your Xero account. Here, you can choose the specific bank account for which you'd like to import a statement. With the desired bank account in view, check the right corner of your screen for the Manage Account option. Click on Manage Account and a new menu will appear. This menu contains several options for managing your bank account transactions. From this list, you'll want to find and click on Import a Statement. At this point, Xero will prompt you to choose the file you want to upload. Clicking on Select File will open a dialog box, allowing you to browse your computer's files, navigate to the location where your bank statement file is saved, select it, and then confirm your selection to upload the file to Xero. Before moving forward, check to ensure the file has been successfully uploaded. If all looks good, click on the Next button to proceed. Now, you'll need to check the transactions listed in the imported file. Review each transaction to ensure accuracy. If everything matches up, you can confirm the transactions in Xero. After confirming, click Next again to advance to a preview screen. Here you'll see the imported statement displayed, allowing you to review all critical details such as dates, descriptions, and transaction amounts. This final preview gives you one last opportunity to spot check the data for correctness. Finally, once you're satisfied with the previewed information, complete the import process by clicking Confirm or Import. This action will transfer the statement lines into Xero, where they will be ready for reconciliation with your transactions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can import your bank statements into Xero with ease, giving you a clear and organized overview of your business finances. If you have any questions or would like to see more tutorials like this, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.